dark green, and also the holo green. So I'm gonna submerging my bristle, and I'm using a brush number 12. So sometimes you see me using brush number 10, 12, and 14. It really depends on the length of the nail. So sometimes it's the short nails, I'm using the number 10, so then it's whole like is a right ratio and then less of the monomer. So then when I pick up the beads, the powder beads is going to be a right ratio for me. So submerging my bristle in the monomer, into the monomer, and then pick up the crystal clear and then going to green. So I would suggest like a 70% of a lighter color, which is the crystal clear is a lighter colors, and then is the deep green is a darker pigment. And then you can see that it's just kind of marbling together, which is that you want to. You don't want the beads to be too like dry. And I'm gonna go in and blend around the cuticles, and don't have to worry about it's really perfect because we are going to cap it with the crystal clear. And this is one of the way you can do marbling. And then also another way too, this way you can pick the lighter color. So I mean that you pick the white and then you pick the green. So you pick two of this. But then if you are picking like, if you can definitely do another techniques, which is drop one of the clear first and then put the darker green on it. So then we are going to really like guiding it. So either way, you will never go wrong with this. There you go. So either way, you pick two colors together, or you can pick one lighter and then pick the darker one, so then you can able to control it so much better. Okay, and this is gonna be a perfect if you are doing a jade nails as well. So now when it's still wet here, I'm gonna pick a little bit of a holo green. I'm just like using just a little bit, dab it in the my paper, so I don't want to load it so much. I just want a little bit of a hint of a glitter of a green. I don't want to do it too much. I don't want it looks like, you know, a Christmas nails. Just a little bit hint, because I love the holo green. The holo green, if you're seeing it, is so different. We have it, it's really special like mix for you, so it had a little bit of a hint of a gold, so it's really perfect. So you can use it like throughout the year. And then you can go in picking the number 29's holo gold. This holo gold is everything. One of ours like really a good selling, the colors, and holo gold and holo silver. It's just a little bit of a little glitter is go a long way. So now I have some of the big chunks of glitters, which is I love it from the special in this box this month. You can add them on, and it's also is like mixed with the bigger ones, big particle, and also smaller particles. So then you can create a lot of cute fun design. It doesn't have to be just encapsulated. You can do it with the gel polish, velvety gels, and however you would like. So I'm gonna move it this one on these sides. And also remember that I love this lace so much. Ooh, I got a couple of them. I just drop it. Okay, so I cut it this one already. I'm gonna show you, but I have it right there, is ready on the side. You want to add some gold with the lace on. It's a perfect time to add it on. If you feel like you need some more of adhesion, I can pick up some of the crystal clear, really thin, and then you can pick up your foils and lace and lay it to wherever you would like. And you can do however you would like to make it happy, and you can add more lace, mesh lace, and foil as you prefer. Okay. All right. So now let's go into the fun part right here. So now when it's set just a little bit, and of course that you can add this money signs on, I mean dollar sign. And I'm gonna add some of these, just a little bit of a crystal clear. So then that way it will adhere is so much better for me. I don't know if it's doing it right way. Maybe it's this one is the right way. Did I do it right way? It should be the right way, huh? I think so. And it's get the crystal clear powder there, so it definitely hold it down. This has a lot of cute on the nails. And then, so now if you want to, there's a lot of cute glitters going on here. Should we do this one? The big 100 is gonna be like huge. Do the smaller one.
Yes, one big money sign.
Do the eyes.
No.
This one.
Money sign, yes.
You want this money side?
Mm-hmm.
I seen that the other one I did with the $100. This cute.
But yeah, there was a lot of dollars right there.
Did you know that it's a money side? I might be wrong or I might be right. Did you see the dollar side? The dollar side right here?
That's a dollar sign, yes.
It's a dollar.
Did it say dollar on it?
No, it's the number 1 right there. Do you see that?
Oh, cool.
Did you realize that?
Well, hey, cool.
Look, number 1 right there.
Yep, I guess so.
And you can put this one on the top if you want to. You can do however you want on the top of your money sign. Why? Too much?
Too much.
Why? Money is never too much.
Well, the only thing I just kind of like in that design.
It's okay. I just give it preference for whoever want to put a lot on there.
Yes.
You can do it however you want.
Go for it.
Okay, looks really freaking cute. And this is, I'm going to cap it with crystal clear. So now, if you're happy with this, you don't want add anything else on, you don't want another dollar size, that's okay. We are going to submerging the bristle back into the monomer. And then we are going to cap this beauty completely. And tuck it in the cuticle area. And then using a belly of the bristle, and you can able to guide your beads. Instead of drag it and pull it and pat it down, you are going to just guide it. So then it's going to stay really nice, but it's not going to make the nails really bulky. You can go back and add more as you need it. Might have some my cuties like needs. He's watching. If she's here. So I need extra. So however you are doing, either you're doing for your nails or your clients, do however you and your clients is want to create. You can put some twist on it, just like some of preference a thousand a different way, thousand a different look for the money nails. You can put the $100 people using the real one or the money, and however you would like. Just have fun with this. This one you don't have to cut the $100 bill. You can still able to having fun with the money nails. And then the next nail you can using a different. You can put like completely $100. Maybe next nails we want to do that. Or maybe next nail I can just do the crystal placement on that. All right, make sure to get everything capped perfect. And then we are just going to let this beauty air dry. Taper in using the belly of the bristle. Okay. The shorter one and a longer one. So this is like long and a medium length, and then this a long nails.